it is here. We're at the destination. I've got money in the hand and I'm ready to go. So hopefully we can snag a good deal on this sick project car. Here goes. Alright guys, we are jumping into the new car. I am so hyped to show you what this thing is because it is a beast. Okay, first reaction. The car is completely low. It feels like I'm on a racetrack and it sounds like this. And I've got the windows down. I've got the aircon pumping. I love it. Welcome back to the channel guys, my name is Wong and today I'm very excited because we are going to be introducing a new car here on the channel and I'm super excited because guys, it has been a bit of time. We've been showcasing some killer cars, but guys, this is my very own project and I'm so excited. Take a look at this. This right here is my 1998 EP91 Toyota Starlet. Today we're going to go for a full overview with the new Toyota Starlet. As you can kind of see, it's actually really tiny. And guys, we're going to be transforming this car into a drag build sleeper. After witnessing all these very fast cars out here in Mexico, Australia, I want to bring something that's a little bit understated, a little bit of an underdog, and I think this Starlet here is the perfect platform to show up at the drags and just, you know, upset a little bit of people. So this car is going to be awesome for just that. We're going to take it out for a little run. It is turbocharger ready. I'm going to give you the full lowdown on everything you need to know about it, as well as a little bit of a vlog style video of the car and the journey out here on YouTube. So guys, stay tuned for this video. It's going to be sick, so let's go. Let's dive into this overview with the Toyota Starlet. You can see it is a very clean example of an EP91 Starlet. Oh, I almost forgot. I've got my roommate out here. Debbie, come over here.
Hello.
Hello. Guys, this is Debbie. We actually made some videos on her Super Direct GC8, which is sick. But Debbie, what is your first impression on the Toyota Starlet here?
This is so unlike you.
Why? What's wrong with it?
It looks like a baby. It's a baby car.
Yes, but it's a bit of a sleeper, don't you reckon?
I don't think so. Is this car fast? I don't think so. I don't think it's fast.
I mean, it's got a big front mount intercooler. Is that not cool enough?
It's like an egg.
An egg?
Yeah, it looks like a mom's car.
I'm going to show you, Debbie, how good this car is.
Show it to me then.
All right, let's go. Have a look at it, guys. It is a very little car, 1998 Toyota Starlet in the iconic silver, run-of-the-mill daily driver beater car. You'll probably see these parked up at train stations, faded. But this one's actually pretty good. It's just got a little bit of an engine swap and I'll show you guys what that is a little bit later. I'm not that tall. If you guys have seen me in real life, I'm about 5'7" on a good day. It is so small and little, but guys, it means it's very light. It only weighs 900 kilograms, especially when it's turbocharged already like this one is. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But guys, have a look. You've got some Ventus RS4 Hankook tires, some China-made Raise engineering wheels. Yes, they're reps. GT brakes. A little bit of a precursor of what's to come. Super hyped about that. This car has a very 90s looking economy box interior, which is honestly a little bit shitty, but I love it. Look at this. Plastic, no electronics, door locks like this, mad. And also you've got Paseo interior. So these are essentially your budget bucket seats. The OEM Starlet seats are crap and they have been swapped of that. Guys, it's got, I think this is a fake knob, but guys, it's got the LSD GT gearbox, which is super cool. Have a look at the tachometer here. There is no tachometer, it's just a speedometer. So I'm going to be guessing factory optioned with aircon and power steering, which makes it a very highly spec'd luxury model Starlet, if you can call a Starlet luxury. But I really like this interior because guys, it is like a shell. Really clean at the back, but guys, you've got a JDM HKS exhaust here. We've got some GT badges that was removed, some random stickers. I don't know what that's all about, but guys, it is so nice back here. I really like the fishbowl. You can just tell it's a clean car. I actually really love the way that this Starlet has been done up. So guys, let me show you the engine bay, which is what you guys want to see and hear. Let's go. Take a look at this, guys. This right here is a 4E FE, according to that sticker. But guys, no, it's not. It's actually a 4E FTE engine. So this has come from the Starlet GT and it's been fully transplanted into the EP91 Life Starlet. So this is a base model car that we got out here in Australia, but this engine, the running gear, the brakes, the LSD gearbox, everything in this car is from the Starlet GT. And guys, that makes it a little bit of a pocket rocket. First and second gear, it's got the standard turbo, but it's actually been high flowed, so it's all the way down there. It's actually as big as my fist. So not that big of a turbocharger, but it's there. You've got a big front mount intercooler, as you can see, which is right here. Really, really nice. Let's have a look at this. This is a little pod filter. You've got just everything that you need for a budget build, which is crazy. This car actually makes 100 horsepower at the wheels. And it's actually got a dyno sheet to prove it. So I'm gonna get a photo of what that looks like for a car that weighs 900 kilograms. That's mighty fast. And guys, it has a killer dose. And I can't wait to show you guys what this car sounds like. Honestly, Debbie, I know that you're unimpressed right now, and probably many of you guys are as well, but we're gonna transform this thing and it's gonna be sick. What do you reckon?
Do you have AC in this car?
Yes, yes we do. You even have a radio in here.
Oh, that's sick.
Okay guys, it's a 30-degree day and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to boot. Let me put down the windows for you, shall we?
Alright. Should I put my windows down too?
That's all good. Get a load of this.
What is that noise?
That's a flutter noise, Debbie. It's so sick.
Oh. Okay, I wasn't expecting that.
Guys, this makes the best flutter noises for a little car. So we're gonna be jumping on the highway. We're in the Starlet, first and second gear. This thing likes to boogie and it sounds like a gem. Listen to that. Heel and toe, guys. On ramp, get a load of this. Yeah! What do you reckon? Hey!
You're scaring me.
Oh my god. Hey, the first run is actually really impressive. I didn't think this car keeps building, but we were probably at the top of 4th gear. I just had a friend text me. I'm gonna close the windows. He wants to show me one of his cars that he's potentially selling, and we're gonna go check it out. I'm not gonna show you guys too much of what the car is because it potentially might be another project car out here on the channel, but I think you guys are gonna love it. But as you can see, the Starlet is a really good cruiser. Hey, this is comfy, right?
It was actually very comfy. The seats are quite comfy.
And it holds you in the seat.
Yeah.
Hey, you got aircon cranking. Guys, I think I really like the Starlet already. On our first drive, we just picked it up. I'm hyped. I'm really hyped about this. Stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna be sick, but let's check out this car. Thank you. It is lunchtime. We're gonna go get ourselves a little feed and we're out here at 13, one of the best fur places to have if you're out here in the city. We had a really good look at the car and honestly, I think it could be a contender for a new project car out here on the channel, but we just gotta crack a few numbers to see if it's worthwhile. You guys have been saying to get a haircut because my hair's long, but I'm trying to grow this mullet situation out, so alright guys, we'll speak soon. So after we left the city, I noticed literally 20 different birds attacked the car. Why do they hate it so much? Oh. Let's go. It's working. Bye! Bye, Debbie! Hello! Sorry? I was just getting some air.
Ages.
Yeah.
Wait. So annoying.
Let's go. Alright guys, we are out here one last time. We're gonna take Devi into Mexico with the Toyota Starlet. Got some crazy things planned actually afterwards. There's a crazy underground meet that's gonna be happening a little bit later. So we're gonna bring the Starlet. I wanna see what people think of the car when we actually show up to a meet. Normally people see me in Silvia's and whatnot, but this is something a little bit out of the ordinary, so I'm hyped. Feel free to leave all your comments of what you think of the car in the comments below, guys.
We're going to Mexico.
Always. Mexico trip for a day trip. So one thing that I absolutely love about the Starlet, the fact that it makes these killer noises. I think that sounds freaking cool. And it just makes the car feel pretty fast, if you know what I mean? Listen to this. That was in first gear. I don't know how many RPM because there's no RPM gauge, but pretty sick. And you can heel into so nicely in this thing. It stays so planted to the ground, it's absolutely crazy. It feels like a little bit of a go-kart, but because it's so light, this thing is just like it's dancing on its wheels. I love it, on its little wheels. It's like 15-inch or less. Can we go yet? Can we go? Can we go? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, Debbie! And we're still well under the speed limit. Take a look at this, guys. Tunnel, you know what that means. Third gear, second gear. Guys, let's go. Love the big don'ts. Right, it's literally like a hoot machine. I can't wait to build this car and to turn it into that dream drag sleeper build that we've got planning in store. I can't wait. It's already so much fun as it is. 100 wheel horsepower on this high flow OEM turbo on this Starlet GT running gear. Get a load of this thing. It is just a freaking bundle of fun. It just takes it. Look at this beautiful day out here in Mexico. We're in the Starlet GT EP91 Life model. This is basically the base model of what this car is. And with this kind of running gear, this JDM GT running gear, it is just a hoot of a car to drive. And I absolutely, already, right out the gates, love it. I'm gonna park this thing up and I'm gonna show you this car one last time before we head over to the underground meet in a little bit. Okay, Debbie.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Look at my hair. Look at my hair, Clay. You ruined my hair.
You know what that means? It's pretty quick. Honestly, guys, I never thought that I'd really like a Starlet as much as I do. These things were never on my radar, but this car kind of blew my mind. And honestly, if you do know Starlets pretty well, you'll know that they are very good drag cars. And with what this car has already been set up with, it is the perfect foundation for a budget sleeper drag weapon, and I love it. Guys, it's just so unique. I think it is ultra cool, especially with just how small and little it is. I know it's not the taste of everyone's liking, but guys, it doesn't matter what other people think about your builds. If you like it, if you love it, you want to build it, you do it. And for me, that's why I really like this thing. It's very similar to my EG. And we're gonna pop open the bonnet. It's leaking fluid. Not too sure if this is the bad thing. I'm just gonna shut the car off real quick. Maybe it was the first hard drive for a long time. I did buy it from a gentleman that didn't really drive it for the past 2 years. I'm a little bit concerned. Yeah, that is not really a pleasant sight to see, especially after I just picked it up. So we're gonna let this thing cool down and hopefully we can make it back home. Dev, do you think I need to call a tow truck?